Hello everyone. I just wanted to share this quick chart with you. This we are seeing ITC chart, Indian Tobacco Company, and as you know, this is a very strong company with very good revenue growth and profit growth. But recently, the stock has fallen significantly because of the increase in taxes in tobacco, right? But the tax increase in tobacco has been there many times in the past, but eventually the stock picked up, right? Because the company can always pass on the cost to the consumers of cigarette, and they can always pick up eventually, right? So the correction what has happened in ITC, I believe it is a short term correction, and uh, prices should eventually go up, right? But the question is, when the price is coming down, at what point of time we should think that it may go up? Let's see some of the points which are visible as of now, right? Let's zoom on to the price. I'm zooming it. Let's see the price. If you see the recent price, this was the this was the date on which January 1st the taxes the tax news came and the stock fell significantly. If you see what percentage the stock fell from here till the bottom, the stock has fallen by 25%. This was the bottom, right? It is almost 25% of the stock, 25% the stock has corrected, right? And now it is trying to move up. Right? So if you see here, there is a big green candle here. Green candle means price has gone up. But along with this green candle, what is interesting is we have seen a very good volume here. If you see here, the red circle which I marked here, this is a very good volume. That means lot of people have bought at this price. Lot of people wants the stock price to go up. I'm saying this is a good volume compared to the other days, right? Also on this candle, on which candle is that? This candle on 17th February. 17th February also we see a big candle, comparatively larger candle than the previous days. So that means we are seeing a buying interest. We are now seeing a buying interest in ITC. People wants the stock to go up. One more thing I want to cover here is there is a concept called open interest, right? On the right side, what you see here, this is called open interest. Many of you would not know the concept of open interest. So open interest, these are instruments, open interest are contracts which are created in the derivatives market. Let's not get there now, right? For beginners, let's understand it this way. If you see a big red line, this is the big red bar, right? This means there is very large call open interest. Red is call open interest, green is put open interest. So there is huge open interest, and when the red is big, this will act as a resistance. That means people will not allow the price to go above 330, right? That's why we call it as a resistance. Now this is a very big resistance. If you see the size of the bar, it is a very big resistance, right? Now people will try to keep it down below 330, at least for this month, because these contracts are valid for 1 month. This open interest is valid for 1 month, right? But in case the price goes up above 330 and sustains there, then we can see a significant upward movement. Yes. So this is some interesting things which I have noticed about ITC. Have a look at it.